starting at the back of the griddle. I'll let it flow to the front into the drip tray, okay? This is what I use, just your Scotch-Brite, whatever non-scratch sponge you have, and I keep this separate in a bag so that nobody's going to use this to clean the griddle with if there's soap on it, okay? And then I use this just to keep my hand away. When you're first going to clean the griddle, I always turn it down to 300 degrees. That's the sweet spot. So if you had it at 400 degrees, just turn it down to 300, wait a couple minutes, okay? See, I've got that down to 300 right now. So let's get the water here. This is probably about 3.5, 4 cups of water. I won't use it all, but I like to just in case. All right. So, and I'll show you what I'll use the towel for at the end. All right, so I'm going to pour this on and watch. See how it's flowing? All right, ready? I'm going to put the sponge down. I always work from one side to the next, okay? Keeping the, clean on my whichever side. If you're left-handed, on the left. But see how much easier it is when I just, wow. All right. When I get it to here, I'm going to push this up and off. This is when I use my, I kind of get it soppy wet, okay? And then I'm just going to go back over the griddle. All right. Get in the corners. Go back down. I flip it over so I'm not going back over that with, the dirty part of the, see how this is all coming off? It's crazy, crazy good. All right. And so this is the last that I'll do. Then I'm just going to let it cool off because now's when I turn it off. I will let it cool down. And then I'm going to wipe over it with just a damp cloth and it'll be beautiful. Let's look at the drip tray. Here's the drip tray.
That's
all right.
A challenge.
It's really easy because it comes out so nicely. Some of them get caught on the lip and you're like, whoa. So this is nice. You can, Larry, see how there's still some on the lip there? Yeah. That is also chrome infused and it comes off very easily. See? So now that all looks very pretty.
And even though it looks like there's seams right there, this is fully sealed, right? That's
Yep,
just
yep.
It's just that budding up
Right,
that metal.
yep. Now, let's say that you get a customer or this happens to you and there's clouding or we call it ghosting, okay? I don't know if it's from the mineral content of the water in different parts of the country, if it's just certain food, I just don't know what it is, but what I do is you take 1 part white vinegar to 2 parts water. You're going to turn it on warm and then you're going to go over it. And so you'll take your clean sponge, dip it in there and do a little, what is my time by the way on my cleaning?
To get from when you grabbed the actual, the drip tray, it was 59 seconds. All right, so 1:30 once you got everything in there.
My all-time high is 52 seconds to clean the griddle. Pretty good. You cannot do that on any other griddle, I'll tell you right now, okay?
Really?
So, so going back to the vinegar cleaning, so I'll just, wipe it off with that and then take a cloth, dipping it in, it'll be nice and shiny.